In this lesson, I will show you how to drape on a fashion croquis using the Illustrator's pen tool. The pen tool is used to draw straight paths and also to make curved lines if you click and drag it. At the points you click, an anchor point is created. For every curve point, you can see the handles. Handles can be used to manipulate the curve points. You can see that I am draping a garment design on the upper part of the body with the pen tool. I need to show drapery at the hemline of the dress. Hence, I am drawing a pointy V-shaped zigzag line at the hem of the dress. I will continue draping upward now on the side of the body until I come back to the starting point of my draping. I will open the swatches panel from the window menu. I will use one of my user-defined swatches to fill a fabric texture inside the drape I have created. Now I will right-click inside the drawing and select Transform, and under this I will click on Transform Each option. Note that here in this dialog box you have to keep only the Transform Patterns checkbox checked. I am going to move the sliders under Move and Scale to adjust the appearance of the textile swatch that I have used in my design. I am going to keep the Preview checkbox checked so that I can see the changes as I make them. Changing the scale will resize the pattern, whereas adjusting the sliders under the Move will change the position of the fill inside your drawing. Adjusting the angle will change the angle in which the swatch is filled inside the object. You will find the anchor point tool under the pen tool flyout. You can use this to change the point at the hemline to a curvy point. I am going to make the hemline of the dress look like a flayed hemline. I will now draw the back view or the inside view of the dress by using a simple elliptical shape. Roughly, I will draw an elliptical shape with the pen tool at the hemline of the dress. I will right click inside this object now, and under Arrange, I will choose Send to Back. Now I will draw a surplice design on the bodice on the top. Note that this shape has the default fill color. I need to use the eyedropper tool to apply the same fabric texture all over this dress illustration. To do this, I will select the object with the selection tool and open eyedropper tool. Note, the cursor now looks like eyedropper. I will now click inside some part of my illustration containing the swatch design. I will change the stroke color for the objects in my dress illustration. I'm going to adjust the stroke weight. It's time to draw the folds of the skirt at the hemline. I will choose the pen tool and draw a line upward vertically. To end the line, I will click Enter key in the keyboard. I will draw more fold lines with the pen tool in the skirt. After the fold lines are created, I will draw the contouring lines on the bodice. In this way, I have created a very basic looking illustration. You can take your time and create a much better illustration. I will open File menu and choose Export. Under this, I will select Save for Web to save my file with transparent background.